Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you tips for making bracelet, or ideas. I forgot what's that thing. Ideas, actually. Okay, I'll get them. And I have to pause it. Sure, and I'll show you. Or I'll just put it in my hand. You can see it? I don't think you see it. That one. Bananas. I call it bananas because it's all yellow. But with a white one. This one. So tiny. That one. And the second one, I'll call it matcha. If you know that. Sorry. The background. Because my ate is here. I'm sleeping with her. Wait, actually. Okay. Here's that. Matcha. And I'll talk about the tips. I'll post it. Tips for you. If you're a beginner, you need a lot of beads. Also, you need to know how to tie. Also, you would need a lot of string. Like me, I have a lot actually. Also, you need some packaging. Also, and you need a blackboard to write the things you need. I have one. If you don't have a blackboard, it's okay. Just write down on paper. Also, I'll show you some bracelets that are not clay beads. Boom. This one is like a Y2K. We call it because it's like this one I'm going to giving it to my cousin. This plain one, this the flower one, and this bow big heart, and this tiny bow. Actually, she can match it with her friends, and this star one. Like the chat, the short one, I said I make a bracelet video. I'm true. Okay. What should I give? So bye bye guys. See you back to my channel, and bye bye. Peace. Okay. Bye.